Hi, I will be explaining theory of automata course. So the first part in theory of automata course is explaining what are alphabets. Alphabet is basically a finite, not non-empty set of alphabets, which can be called as an alphabet. It is denoted by a Greek letter sigma. So you can call alphabets as like, for example, in English you can call them A, B, C. These are all alphabets. And for example, if you have some languages, so alphabet can be A, B, alphabet can be 0, 1, alphabet can be I, J, K. So this is important. Why? Because the computer only understands these kind of languages or these kind of words. Computer understand. So basically, a certain language of Algol has around 113 letters. Alphabet includes letters, digits, and a variety of operators, including sequential operators such as go to and if. The next is strings. Concatenation of finite symbols from the alphabet is called string. For example, if we have an alphabet which is A and B, then strings can be any concatenation or any number of A and B's combined together. Empty string, we will also use empty string in theory of automata. So empty string is a string with no symbol, and it is used as or denoted by Greek letter lambda. Words are string belonging to some language. So if you have some language and these are these strings are identified by those languages, we can call that as words. So the basic difference between words and strings is strings are not recognized by languages, but words are recognized by the language. So for example, if we have a alphabet as an X, then the language L can be defined as XN. So N can be 1, 2, 3. So it can be 1, 2, 3 or multiple times that alphabet. So we have all the words are the strings, but not all strings are words. So for example, we have valid and invalid alphabet concepts. So the valid alphabets will be those in which there is no ambiguity, and invalid alphabets will be those in which we have ambiguity. For example, if you have this word, this string, and you have to recognize using alphabet 1 and alphabet 2, so you can see which can be valid and which can be invalid. For example, if we check it for the first one, so we can break it down like this, B, and we have nothing here. So nothing for this one. So this is not a valid string for alphabet 1. However, if we look at for the 2, if you look at for this alphabet 2, you can see there will be an ambiguity. For example, if we break it down like this and this, so this is recognized here, this is recognized here, and this is recognized here. So these string can be recognized for one instance. However, there can be another meaning for this as well. If you break it down like this, B, so this is identified here. However, the rest of the string is not identified. So we have this ambiguity. And what is the reason of this ambiguity? The reason of ambiguity is the letters of the alphabets are starting with the same letters. So this is one kind of ambiguity which you need to resolve. All of your words or all of your letters in the alphabet should be starting with the unique letters. So alphabet 1 was valid and alphabet 2 was invalid. So if you have to find out the length of the string, the length of string is basically denoted by S, and you can see the two bars here, and it is the number of letters in the string. So for example, if you break it down, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5. So you have around 5 letters in the string, so the length of string will be 5. So if we have this string, normally people will mistakenly write there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 8 length. However, if you map them to alphabets, this is 1, this AB is 2, this BAB is 3, and this B is 4, and this D is 5. So what you have to do, you have to make the tokens for the relevant strings. So once you identify the tokens, then you can know what can be the length of string. So there are around 5 strings. So you can put it as 5 length. So what is the reverse of string? If you write the string in the reverse order, it is known as reverse of the string. For example, if you have string ABC and it is defined over alphabet A, B and C, and you are doing the reverse, so you just mention the positions like 1, 2 and 3, and so you write it in reverse order. So this will be reverse of a string. So now if you have this string, how will you identify? This is 1, this is second, this is third, and fourth and fifth. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now if you write it in reverse form, so you can obtain reverse of the string. So this is reverse of the string.